Gratitude greetings. My heart is filled with lot of joy that Almighty has blessed and made lovely souls. One such beautiful gem, spiritual being is Shagun Rotela. She has inspired over 1,000 parents and she is on a mission to help moms feel success, harmony, and love. She is magical, miraculous, and she can do wonders with kids. She's a teacher by profession and a spiritual being, and the introduction is long, and I can go on and on. She's an amazing teacher, cheerful, beautiful being, a heartful soul, much more than the titles. Warm welcome, Shagun.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What is the secret of your success?
The secret of my success is that I want to enjoy each and every moment. And I feel it comes with lot of practice. एक ही बारी में नहीं आ पाता, बहुत practice करनी पड़ती है, and that is why I started practicing it, so that I don't think about past or worry about future. Let me just be in the moment wherever I am. Let me just stay there and be happy. That makes me happy wherever I am.
ये इतनी छोटी उम्र में इतना ज्ञान कहाँ से आया? Do you read books or do you go to satsang?
No, I don't go to satsang, but yeah, I do listen to a lot of spiritual songs and watch videos and follow my spiritual gurus. And I feel spirituality is not only for the elder crowd. ऐसा नहीं है कि बूढ़े होने के बाद आपको भगवान का नाम लेना है. As a youth, you even need it more to settle in your life. Otherwise, मुझे लगता है हम इन materialistic चीजों में ही घूमते रहेंगे. That is why I also started attending Bhagavad Gita classes, and it really helped me a lot, I would say. It made me a lot calmer person.
Any tips you would like to give us from Bhagavad Gita or by listening to spiritual gurus? Which one you follow?
There are so many of them, but I would say my favorite that I can recall right now is that I have also started following. Don't worry about the result. Just keep on doing your actions that you're meant to do. Find something for yourself. Most of the time, I feel people are only engrossed in their daily task. सुबह उठेंगे, काम कर लिया, हो गया, then again same. I feel it happens for kids also when they're in school. सुबह स्कूल आते हैं, they attend school, they go back, they have their tuitions, फिर सो जाते हैं. Again same robotic. So I say it to my students also. No matter you are in whichever grade, it doesn't really matter. Don't worry if you have class 10th. That doesn't mean that you will not breathe. Always find something for yourself. Even if it takes little bit time of yours, जरूरी नहीं आपको ज्यादा time spend करना है. चाहे आप थोड़ी देर के लिए वो कर रहे हैं काम जो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है. जैसे मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है बच्चों के साथ रहना, पेरेंट्स से बात करना, कुछ ऐसी बातें करना जिससे बच्चे हैप्पी रह पाए, पेरेंट्स हैप्पी रह पाए. तो कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो आपको जॉय दे, कीप डूइंग दैट. डोंट वरी आप क्यों कर रहे हैं. you'll just find your ikigai, something that you're meant for, and that's going to give you that happiness. वो करते रहिए और उससे क्या मिल रहा है, क्या रिजल्ट है, leave that. So that's my biggest lesson from Bhagavad Gita.
Swadharma. Jesus said calling. हर रिलीजन में यही बोला गया. Oh, Japanese called it ikigai. Very beautifully answered. And you sounded like Dhoni also. Enjoy the process. Enjoy the journey. Don't worry about the result. Chapter 3, Bhagavad Gita. Very good. Okay.
Thank you. Thank
What
you.
is the secret of your smile?
Secret of my smile? That I follow my Swadharma. Right now, when I'm speaking to you and I'm talking about children, I'm talking about parents, it always brings smiles on my face.
What are
That
your
is the
dreams?
secret of my happiness.
आप हमेशा हैप्पी रहोगे.
Thank you.
हाँ. What are your dreams?
My dreams, I want to create the biggest city of parents where they are learning about parenting and their children find joy and happiness in their life. That's my biggest dream. And to make them understand and realize that happiness doesn't only come from achieving good scores.
हाँ.
We got to focus on the holistic development of the child. सिर्फ अच्छे मार्क्स ही इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, वो बच्चा कैसा फील कर रहा है इमोशनली, मेंटली, फिजिकली, इक्वली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So I want to build my own tribe. That's my biggest dream.
मेरे को थोड़ी स्पेस मिल जाएगी आपके ट्राइब में.
पक्का.
Great. Your 3 happiest moments.
First, when my daughter was born. Why first? Because I feel going on that journey, then only I was able to find my mission, what I really want to do. बिना उसके शायद मुझे realize नहीं हुआ होता. Second, when I found my true calling. I was teaching French as a subject in the school, but that was not giving me happiness. Of course, I was there with children, but I started feeling very monotonous and very robotic that I'm just teaching a course to the children. What else can I tell them? I always used to keep asking that question to myself. What else can I tell them? And now my classes have become French plus life classes. It's not only French class. So finding my mission is one of my biggest happiness, that I found it finally, what I really want to do. And yes, the third happiest moment would be selecting in Super Speaker 100. Because somehow I would say that during my entire school life, I was an introvert person. I was not an extrovert. I never went on stage for speaking anything. And last year, when I saw this ad on Insta that do you want to become India's most, most biggest public speaker, I was like, let me just try. What is it? Let me just go ahead. And 2.5 lakh registrations were there. 2.5 lakh entries came. People participated. After that, the selection was of 2000. I was there in 2000. Like, okay, let me just try again. We were supposed to make a lot of videos during this process on different topics. Okay, then after that, it was 500. Like, very nice. Thank you, God. Let me just try more. And then after 500, it was 100. I was like, oh my God. And after 100, I mean, I received a scholarship of 1 lakh rupees. And that was really priceless that I'll be able to do a course with that amount. And now moving ahead to top 10. So fingers crossed, the result is on Monday. Let's hope for the best. But
Yes,
that
with
was also
all
one
the
of the
blessings.
happiest moment of my life.
With all the grace and choices, blessings, Almighty, the director of our life, hugging you and telling, you played your role really well.
Yeah.
So happy for you. Please
Thank
tell us
you.
about your achievements other than Super Speaker.
Yeah, my achievements, biggest achievements, I was somebody who was not good in academics. So, but listen to my initially, like every child, we generally start following the crowd. What is my friend doing? What is this person doing? I also started doing that. And then eventually I realized, no, languages are something that I feel I'm attracted more towards. Let me just go ahead with this. So I started learning French language, developed a lot of interest in that. I was the topper in my college and couldn't believe myself because academically, math, science, SST, I never found that joy in those subjects. So when I was the topper, I was like, wow. So your game can change any day. That was one of my biggest achievement. When my teachers recognized me, they started seeing me and I entered into one of the teaching school. Again, I would say after a lot of rejections in the teaching space, just because you didn't score well in school. They were not seeing my French marks. I was very surprised that I am coming here for a job in French language. I'm a French topper, but they were not seeing that. They were just seeing my school grades. You didn't score good in 10th and 12th. And then I got a job in, after trying, I got a job in one of the most reputed schools of Delhi. Again, that was like a bulb on moment. Wow. Again, that was a beautiful achievement for me that finally I've started my journey. So yes, looking forward to more such achievements.
Yes. Almighty is looking at you, and Almighty wants you to spread smiles and go on with your life coaching, life skills to millions in all countries, not just in India, not just in every village, not just in every city, but in every home. There'll be a divine light, a torch lit by you. I'm so thankful to you for all the lovely answers and being a super inspiration. You talk effortlessly, and when you talk with empathy, and you inspire naturally, so effortlessly. So now let's play one word answers. Life in one word,
Beautiful.
happiness in one word,
Spreading joy.
parenting in one word,
Lifelong learning.
mother in one word,
Selfless love.
language in one word,
Expression.
success in one word,
Peace.
money in one word,
Value.
love in one word,
Spread.
shagun in one word.
Happiness.
You are oceans of happiness, and I'm truly blessed to sit in front of you today. A great super speaker, super 100, super 10, and number one for me, for God, for universe, always beyond the results. Thank you so much, Shagun, for gifting us your time and inspiring all our viewers, which you do so easily. Just like breathing, it comes naturally to you. I wish you all the best in all your noble future selfless endeavors and keep smiling like this. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.